think you want to ask me this. What is the advantages of solar water heater? Why I need to pay more for solar water heater? Instead, I can get the instant water heater for just few hundred ringgit. So, I think to let you understand better, we direct go to our customer side and you will know the reason. Let's go. Yeah, we are at our customer house right now. You see, my customer previously is using instant water heater, but it's out of order. So at first, right, he just want to change the new water heater. But last, why you want to change to the solar water heater? So you see the reason right now. So I open the switch. First, we don't call it buy, we call it invest. Why? I think in market today, there's no electrical device that can let you save money, right? Once you buy, you need to pay for electric bill. You need to pay for the maintenance. You need to ready for the product depreciation. And worse, if the product spoil, you need to buy it again, right? So in solar water heater, you just assume you pay for the initial, and each month can help you save the money up to 100 ringgit. And last, you can save up to 20,000. So is this a better choice? Maybe you will tell me like this. So money is not a matter for me. So never mind. Let me tell you this. Now I am in front of the bathroom. So behind, right, actually it's the MCB box. And then second thing I want to ask, do you always self-test your ELCB or not? So see, when I press it, you see the switch is not tripped right. That means it's very dangerous. Using solar water heater means using the sunlight to boil water. You definitely no need to turn on the heater switch when you take your bath. No electric use means there is no possibility of electric leakage. So there is no electrical issue as what we can see in the newspaper. Simply said, it's more safe to you and your family. Third, compared to instant water heater, there is no exposed water pipe, no ugly mold and rust. No need a power plug in your bathroom. So your bathroom look more class with this shower screen panel. Fourth, just turn on the water tap. You can enjoy relaxing hot water bath anytime, because the hot water is always ready. So with all the advantages above, like saving money, more safe, make your bathroom look class, save the earth, I think solar water heater is definitely better choice for you, right? Thank you for watching my video. I will free you the shower screen panel. Hurry! So limited for 30 sets only in this month.